Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about the top 5 penny stocks you should be loading up right now for massive gains if you have patience, if you have discipline, and if you aren't scared of holding, even if it comes down a little bit. Let's talk about them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Tilray stock. It is at the bottom. I already alerted this one in the Discord. We have been holding and waiting. That is the name of the game. You see the bottom down here? Since June of last year, it has not gone below 150. Buyers continue to step in and hold it up above 150 to 170. So you buy in, you hold, and you wait for the next pop, which sends it up as far as every pop, it's always sent it up to 240, 250, sometimes even higher as far as $3, even 350 almost back here. So we take advantage of these trading ranges. We buy the bottom, we wait for the next one. We take profit on the 50%, 100% run, 200% run, and we just smile and laugh and go buy yourself some e-bikes or electric unicycle, whatever you like. Go buy yourself a steak dinner. It's easy money as long as you are patient and not scared. Here's another one, ILUS, ILUS, 0052. Buyers are stepping in down here in the 005 area. This is where I would be looking to accumulate. I think anywhere under 005 is a steal. When this thing gets a catalyst, when it gets that hot PR, it can move cents. It went from 0085 here to 188 in one green candle. That's what happens when you get a fat catalyst on this stock. That's not the only example. We got another example way back here from 6 cents to 12 cents, way back when. And the share structure isn't that bad. So we can still get some pretty big movements on a good PR. We have some acquisitions coming, and hopefully we are going to get news on that sometime soon. It's also uplisting as well this year, apparently. Other than that, take advantage of the fact that this company does not communicate often with its shareholders, doesn't really drop that many PRs, but when it does, it moves. And we as traders can adapt and take advantage of whatever the pattern may be. And that's all there is to it. Now, on to the next one. This one's a little better than ILUS. AITX officially at a higher share price than ILUS, but that's a whole nother video in and of itself. 0056, I actually added a 0057 because I figured, hey, I think it's going to 1 penny. It's going to be a while. Takes time. You look at the chart, kind of goes nowhere, and eventually gets that next run up. We did test 0099, and I think we will get another retest of that with August Catalyst underway. People love big numbers on this stock, so keep an eye out for an opportunity here. If it comes down anywhere 004 to 0045 in that area is probably the best load zone. I'm fine. I'm okay. I added because I'm that confident that this is gonna go to a penny and beyond. Again, it's gonna take time. I said discipline and patience. Maybe it fluctuates all the way down here somewhere. Eventually, it will test 1 penny. And we'll come back to this video and we'll have a good laugh at all the people that sold because they were scared. Okay, so Tilray, ILUS, AITX, another one to keep an eye on. BITF, BITF. This one loves to go on huge runs as well. It's a crypto miner. When crypto miners, when they get cheap, they can also very quickly run up. You can see here, anytime it goes under $2, this thing is a buy, and then eventually it makes another big move to the upside. That's the beauty of volatile miners. So keep an eye on this one. I know it's not exactly a 00 penny stock, but it's still considered a penny stock, anything under $5, I believe. So keep an eye on this one under $2. You might have to wait a while for it to come down. That's fine. We can wait. We can be patient. This one's not at the bottom just yet, but something to keep an eye on moving forward. And finally, another one on my radar, IQST. This, if you zoom out on the chart, let's go to that monthly chart. You see what happened here? Buyers stepped in and bought the trend line. And the last time that happened, we actually went to the top of the trend line. We retraced, and it is important to know that we have this July, we have some NASDAQ plan reveals coming. So keep an eye out for that because that can move the share price on its own. But just in terms of technical patterns, buying at the trend line makes sense. So if you buy anywhere around 25 cents, you're good. You're still good. You can buy in and write it up for, I don't know. There's potential here with that Nasdaq plan reveals. If people like that, it can move. We can go to 50 cents. That's a nice 100 percenter. So keep an eye on this one as well going into this week and next. And that is it for the video. You can see here buyer stepping in. There's a lot of plays out there right now. Personally, I'm in ILUS, Tilray, and AITX. I don't got enough money to go around to put into IQST, unfortunately. So I'll have to let some of those. Sometimes you just got to put your money where you think it's gonna make you the most. And I think AITX, ILUS, when they get their moves, they're gonna move, and there's gonna be money to be made. Same thing with Tilray. IQST, unfortunately, I just don't have the money to put into it, but I would love to play this pattern. So with that said, uh, out of all of them, AITX, Tilray, and ILUS is probably the best ones. But if you want the less risky one would be Tilray and AITX because they're always those bottoms have held for a while now. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.